Hello guys, this is the unboxing video of ASICS Gel-Venture 8 model, which is I bought it in Amazon, and this is how the condition came. And I will see that this box is little bit of an damaged, I believe. So I hope that there won't be any damages in the shoes, I believe, and this will be in a pristine condition. Yeah. Let's unbox it. 70, and there is the bill, and the box seems pretty damaged, and this is US 11 and UK 10, and what else is there information? Yep, so this is 49990 10 2020, and all the information from the manufacturing side. So on the box you see one big ASICS logo, and bottom nothing. So yep, unbox it. And box is a bit I'm not happy, kind of an came like this. So this is shoes. Wow, this is trail running shoes. This is not a road shoes or something. So this one you can use it for hiking and everywhere on the off-road running. So that's the purpose of this Gel-Venture 8, and there is not much of a difference compared to Gel-Venture 7, 6, 5, and all of previous models. And this has got the gel inside, so this will give proper cushioning. And let's see what is there. And you see this tag, so all information is available about the product. And this ophthalate, I think this because of this is talks about comfort. I'll give it to the your legs for running. That's what it is. And this seems good. Earlier in ASICS gel content 6 model, I'm unable to scan this barcode. I don't know why, so I'm going to check with ASICS guys to understand why it's like that. Is there any issues? So this is how it came. So let me show you nicely. This is in blue color, and you see some ASICS logo, and you see across this ASICS brand is going front to back. That's the model what they are using, and they never changed this model design. It's a good thing. And this is a hard plastic they have used to support. So say everything is in soft, so this is soft, this is soft, everything is soft, but they have put some hard plastic here, and to support your foot on the ground. So, and this is very soft material they have used, resin kind of a things, and it is connected to all your lace. And I think this fitting is not fit, and this should be very comfortable, will be there, I believe. And I see this is not a breathable mesh, because there is another layer inside the shoes, and they have kept some breathable here, but I still see some cloth inside the inside of this one. So I think this might give some I don't think this will give some proper ventilation in the school, in the shoes and feet. So there is a ASICS branding and across it, and here there is no logo the shoes except here. and let's see what is there. If I take out the insole is good actually, so I don't want to take out because it's a bit of sticky, so I don't want to damage that. So this is hard actually, so this will another pair. This is a right leg shoes, and I see no damage, no defects on the shoes, and this one is very softer material. It's across midfoot, and here is hard material they have used to support your heel, and what else, yeah, because of this hard rubber, so this will hold for a long time, and it will give last this lasts for quite some time, unlike other shoes, because of this grips, and this one is made it for the off-road or a trail trekking running, and I believe this will give enough cushioning, and you don't feel much pain, because of they have used gel inside the across the shoe, I believe. So there is a gel they have written here, but see, this is cushioning, this is cushioning everywhere, it's cushioning, and this is a neutral shoes. So can I check the code if possible? What is it? 786, I'm not sure. Okay, 824, this style code is there, but I don't know about this code. Is it the same? It's not the same actually. So and here is a logo or a brand name or a model name actually, Gel-Venture 8, and this is a hard one actually. I think they have used hard material or plastic kind of a things actually. This is a soft fabric they have used to support your heel, and softer cushioning, and the tongue is very good, flush, and what else, yeah. So I don't know like whether I need these shoes or not, but let me try it some for a testing purpose. I'll wear it and we'll see if it is comfortable, then I'll keep it, otherwise I'm going to return this product, because I needed the breathable material, so that I don't sweat, I don't feel heat while running, and I hardly go on the trail trekking running, so let's give it some try actually. So what is song, and if not suitable, then I'll give it out for my friends or my families or my friends, anyone who wants to buy it. So that's it guys for today's video, and thank you so much for watching my video, and please leave a comment if you have any question or concern to verify.